been a joy to have in class, you know that?
This is money. Money flower. That's
Thank you. That's so sweet of you.
No, there's
Can we have a picture together?
There's money. There's.
So guys, I see it. Sounds good. Uh-oh. Sorry. And check their mailboxes. There's things in their mailboxes. Oh my goodness. It's okay, Raven. We're gonna do our first song, and we do it every week, almost every other day. We do a school family song. So this year we've learned that everyone is everyone's friend at school, and we work together and we're kind. So we're gonna welcome each other and friends. This is our final time we're gonna do it as a group. So we're not saying good morning, but we say see you later, right? Because some of you are going to kindergarten, and some of you are headed back here. Are you ready? When the music turns on, stand up. Yeah? Some of us are going to good schools. You're right. This is my school. Family, this is my school. Family, this is my school. Family.
Now wave to a friend.
See you later.
This is my school. Family, this is my school. Family, this is my school. Family. Shake hands with a friend. Shake hands with a friend. Wave to a friend. This is my school.
Family, this is my school.
Shake hands with a friend. Shake hands with a friend. Wave to a friend. This is my school.
Family, this is my school. Family, this is my school.
High five with a friend. High
High five. You guys are awesome. Pinky hug. Pinky hug.
Shake hands with a
Chicken hands, Patrick.
Shake hands with a friend. Wave to a friend. This is my school.
That every friend that needs help is getting help, and he always picks up a backpack of Raven's every day, and so he gets the Fabulous Friend Award. He always makes sure that all the friends that need help gets it. Great job. Thanks for being fabulous friends. Andrea is always ready for music time, and she has some good moves, so we give her the dancing queen. Bushra has an amazing smile, and she always comes in, and anyone that enters the room, she smiles at, gives a good, huge smile, so we call her Miss Sunshine. She brightens our day. And she back is orange. Shoulder. Lean back on your shoulder. Everybody shouting now.
We're doing the bean bag dance.
Put your feet back on your head now.
Spread your arms wide. Want you to lean back on your I'll get you.
We're doing the Bean Bag Dance.
Hand it on your head. Tickety. You know, put it on your shoulder. Any way you want it. Let me help you, girl.
We're doing the Bean Bag Dance.
Woo! And catch it. Bag toss.
Teaching your spot.
We're doing the Bean Bag Dance.
Thanks for having a seat. We're trying to have.
Junior. No, only once to Darkfest. I opened it. I just
Sudah mulai share lagi kali. Cukup lagi. Sudah balik lah pot kali. Mau share lagi ada lagi. Share lagi lot lagi. Sudah tibu bulan penuh tibu dah. Mau share lagi lot lagi. Sudah. Weh, terus. Sudah balik lah pot kali. Kemudian. Sudah cukup lagi. Sudah gila. Sudah tak kuat sudah. Aku. Aku dah ni pada dah dumbalnya pas ada mau pergi tu, bagi cuci dah lihat cuci lagi. Masih tak ada pada ni lah. Aku dah lihat dah, dah.
Kalau kira gada lah, lah.
Dah lihat dah.
So we kill it, dah.
Dah sebab tu dah. Aku dah lihat tahu le. Aku dah appreciate lihat tahu le. Saya mula tu. Saya mula tu boleh apa? Kurang power ni. Apa? Tahu no? Ayo apa no? Udah pakai wajan nak dia? Sudah pada banyak ada lihat aku ada mion boy. L-A-R ni, R berada di luar. Nama pura papa boleh. S.
No, what is that?
R.
R A Q O O.
对了，
Tu.
对了，
Sa.
That is one Q.
Weh, ticak guya dah.